Take the dog. Come on out. Come on out.
I love you.
There we go. That's all we're looking for.
I'm Eamon's pregnant, you idiot.
You're not Eamon's pregnant.
I'm not.
Stop resisting!
I'm Eamon's pregnant, thank you.
Hands out of your sleeve.
Hello? No, this is her phone. Oh.
I don't think so. No, he's fine.
He's okay.
His wrist is a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, and he had his eye on his glasses, but that's all.
Got it.
We also, the person that was in front of him circled back around to tell us what he saw. So we have his contact info.
Oh, perfect.
Just in case.
Yeah. Haven't been drinking or smoking any weed or any dope or anything? Okay. Just something we ask every time we're at a crash.
Oh, yeah, no, you're good.
I'll get that. I think he's insured through Vern Fonk. I'm going to verify that.
Okay.
And then I'll get a form with all that information. I'll be right back, okay? Thank you. You're not safe even in your own driveway. Yeah, so this one definitely occurred on the county roadway. A traffic violation on the county roadway is what led to this collision. Basically, he was not paying attention. A bunch of cars were stopped for a school bus. He went to swerve to miss the traffic and collided with two parked cars in the driveway. So I'll be doing a full collision report on this one and getting the other parties the involved information they need. There's going to be a case number up top for the collision report. This is the individual that caused the collision today, his insurance information. Only thing I was going to verify is just the name of the insurance that you guys have.
We both have Progressive.
Progressive, okay.
Yeah.
I'll throw that down on there. But obviously, none of you guys have to worry about that. They're parked cars in your driveway. You'd think they'd be safe, but not today.
Yeah.
So that should be everything you need for your insurance. Other than that, you can always call us back if you have any other questions, okay?
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yep, no problem. You guys have a good one. Thanks. Lateraled over to Pierce County a little over 2 years ago. And I think probably the biggest thing I've noticed here is just how the admin is really supportive. We receive really good training, and sometimes we have to make really quick split-second decisions, which I've had to do here on a few occasions. And to know that you have an admin that has your back and supports you makes a huge difference, because we're already getting nitpicked enough as it is, constantly being questioned in our decision making. And so when you don't have to worry about your own administration, it just makes it a lot easier to do the job effectively. So we're just checking. This is a place where a lot of people come and hang out and either smoke drugs. A lot of times when they're doing that, they will be in stolen cars. And often if they're in a stolen car, they also have stolen merchandise. And so I'm just out checking the area, seeing if I can find a stolen car and hopefully get it back to the victim. I saw a lady nosed in an area on the side of the parking lot where I've seen a lot of other people using narcotics in the past. She was slumped over behind the wheel and her head was nodding up and down, so I knew that she was likely passed out on fentanyl, more than likely. Hey there! No worries. Sheriff's Department. It's the Sheriff's Department.
Okay.
Reason I'm chatting with you right now is it looked like you're passed out. When I went to contact her, she was holding a butane lighter and I saw a pipe inside the car. I tried to identify her and talk to her. She refused to provide any identification. Do you have your ID on you? Well, right now I need your ID.
For what?
Like I just said, you're being detained because you're trespassing.
What did I do?
Trespassing.
I'm not trespassing. I have my receipt. I was in the store. I'm not going with the credit company.
County 473, suspicious vehicle. Now you're obstructing me. You're obstructing my investigation.
Stop! Guys, come on! Like, I'm not doing anything wrong. I just looked
Okay.
Like, what did I
Just
do?
give me your ID, like I said.
I don't have a reason to give you my ID.
I just told you a valid reason, and you're refusing to provide it, which is obstructing.
That's obstructing?
Yes. So now it's trespassing and obstruction.
This is ridiculous, dude. I've done nothing wrong. No, I've done nothing wrong.
Don't leave. You're not free to go.
Nothing wrong.
You're being detained. You're not free to go. She just started the car up. She's gonna go. Can I leave you right here real quick? I'm gonna chase her. Sorry. I'm gonna try to catch up to her. Yeah, I found her. So we're eastbound, coming to Waller. She's going to be going southbound. Good pit.
Get your hands up! Get your hands up!
Get out of the car!
One at gunpoint.
Get out of the car now! Get out of the car!
Stop reaching!
If you reach, you're gonna get shot! Get out of the car!
She's reaching right under the seat.
Get your hands up, you get shot! Keep your hands visible, do you understand? Get out of the car! You are under arrest for felony elude. Get out of the car!
20, I'm up here with 473. She's very distraught and she's just talking on her cell phone. We can see both her hands, but we're gonna try to communicate and get her to come out.
I would say that.
We're gonna go shield up, and we'll just keep lethal on her. I'll port the window with my flashlight, and we'll just.
The big thing is the dogs.
The dogs.
I'm not about getting bit here.
Me neither.
Is she talking? Shoot a dog.
Kinda.
Kinda. She won't provide her name. She said she's done nothing wrong. And
You can see her hands.
Yeah,
Yes
she's
and
got
no.
both her hands up.
Now
She's
she
not
get
on
out?
the phone.
But she keeps reaching under the seat, at least early on. She hasn't for a while.
Hey, ma'am, it's the police, obviously. We need you to get out of the car. Hey, don't touch us. Get out of the car. Listen, we're not going anywhere. Get out of the car. There you go. You're fine. Just open the door. We're not gonna, hey, we're not gonna hurt you. Just step out of the car. You want to try and open the door?
I can. I'm just worried about
The dogs.
Your dogs want to come out and play, and we're fine with that. We don't want to have to make it more aggressive than we already are. We need you to hang up the phone and come on out, okay?
Come on, you're right.
I know. I want to help you. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Help us keep the dogs safe. Come on. Keep your. Hey. The next step is we're gonna. Listen. Hey, listen. I'm gonna spray you. Okay, I'm gonna spray you if you don't open the door. Okay, ma'am. It's not gonna hurt you. Come and get out of the car. I'm going to spray you. Ma'am. And it's gonna hurt.
Down one guy.
Hey,
I'm on taser for dogs if we have to go that route.
get out of the car. Get out. We can help you. Don't do it. All right, get out of the car. Let's go.
OC deployment.
Let's go.
Okay, we don't want to take the dogs. Come on out. Come on out.
I love you.
There we go. That's all we're looking for.
I'm Eamon's pregnant, you idiot!
You're not 8 months pregnant.
I'm not!
Stop resisting!
I'm Eamon's pregnant, thank you!
Hands out of your sleeves.
Hello? No, this is her phone.
It's a little peppery. She ended up taking off. Before she did, I was able to deploy a stop stick behind her tire. We call them terminators, and that deflated one of her tires, which prevented her from getting to too high a rate of speed.
When I came around the corner, I saw him in a perfect pit position. He had the car spun around, but the driver was clearly still trying to weasel her way out of there. So I was gonna come right. She started coming back a little bit. Deputy Stutes went right, so I came left, and it worked out nice that she thought her escape route was gonna be forward, and it was right into me.
And she refused to get out of the car. She was reaching under the driver's seat. At the time, we didn't know if she was trying to reach for a gun. Eventually, we were able to deploy OC once the sergeant showed up with a shield, and eventually was able to take her into custody safely. Turns out she was reaching under her seat to try to grab her cell phone charger, even though cops with guns are providing lawful orders. We noticed she had 3 dogs with her. They're not very happy themselves, which I don't really blame them. That was a stressful event for them. Well, the ride-along got cut a little short for the earlier incident, obviously, so after that I had to draft a search warrant for blood, which got approved. Right now, there's been some complications with the patient, and she's receiving medical treatment. We're still waiting to get blood. It's been several hours at this point. Eventually, she's going to get booked into jail for eluding, DUI, obstruction. Turns out she also has some probable cause out of Tacoma for shoplifting, where she's stolen $6,000 worth of merchandise and is now selling it. So that'll be an additional charge that will be added. But at the end of the day, moral of the story, lesson to be learned, just provide information, just cooperate. More than likely, I wouldn't have been able to find out the Tacoma information anyways, and she probably just would have been released to a sober driver because she had been parked in the parking lot prior to fleeing. So that's something she can learn for next time. Other than that, thanks for hanging out. See you around.
The suspect now faces multiple charges, including felony elude, DUI, and obstruction of a law enforcement officer, and trespassing, along with an outstanding warrant related to a $6,000 shoplifting case in Tacoma. No injuries were reported in the incident. The woman was taken into custody by Pierce County deputies after fleeing the scene, leading to a pursuit and the use of spray to subdue her.